Hi friends, this video shows how to pair this Bluetooth earphone. First we need to put this earphone into pairing mode. Here in this earphone we need to press and hold this button. See here this light is flashing. That means right now this earphone into pairing mode. Then go to TV, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Set pair remote or accessory. Now searching for accessories. Here on top right corner we can see Rockers 235 Pro. That is the name of this earphone. Set it. Now it's pairing. Please wait. Next we need to set pair option. So here set pair. Okay, paired. So this way we can pair this earphone. And here you can see Rockers 235 Pro. Battery level 70%. Select it. Here you can see many options. Let me explain this one by one. The first one, use for TV audio. Using this option we can switch audio between TV speaker and earphone. If you turn on this option, audio will be playing in the earphone. If you turn off, audio will be playing in the TV speaker. Second option, special audio. If you turn on this option, system sounds like navigation sound that will be playing only in the TV speaker. Other sound will be playing in the earphone. Disconnect option. Using this disconnect, we can temporarily disconnect earphone. See, disconnected. Later, if you want to reconnect, just select the speaker, then select connect. That way we can reconnect. So that is the use of this disconnect and connect options. Then the rename option. Using this rename option we can change the name of this device. Okay, go back. Then the last option, forget. Using this forget option we can permanently delete this earphone. Let me try this forget. Then select yes. This way we can forget or unpair. Done. Later if you want to pair, you have to again go to pair remote or accessory. Then you have to select the device. Then you have to repeat the process. So this way we can pair Bluetooth earphone. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.